The market in the day mixed. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and it is Tuesday, March 25th, 2014. And everybody was up but the small caps. You have the S&P up 0.44%, the Dow up 0.56%, the Nasdaq up 0.2%, the Russell's down a mere fraction. Banks up a mere fraction. VIX volatility index, the fear indicator, spiking lower, dropping and crashing by more than 7%. Gold up a fraction, so is silver after yesterday's sell-off. US dollar up a fraction. Utilities here up 0.33%, with the transportation index up 0.51%. And taking a look here at the S&P daily, something that happened that's very interesting here is by day's end we rallied back up. Started off the day very bullish, we came crashing back down. We kind of have an inside trading day compared to yesterday's candlestick, with the 20-day moving average piercing the last two trading sessions. However, we do have a lower high, but we do have a higher low. A lot of indecision there. As you guys know, and if you've been following me for any time at all, you'll know that I put quite a bit of weight on the trend lines when drawn correctly. And I have this down to a science on how they are to be drawn. You'll notice here we do have a cross above that trend line. If I go to a line chart, you'll see that we are above it. The odds were significantly against that happening today. The odds were we were going to sell off and continue to sell off, or at least stay on the bottom side of this trend line. Right now, we're not doing that. So, there's no respect being paid right now to this trend line. It's been busted a couple times here, so the trend line is starting to lose its power. With this, I see an opportunity for this to actually go either way now. If we would have closed lower, I would have said dollars to donuts, we will stay below this blue line and start to trickle downward. I cannot say that now because we do have a close above this. If you look at a weekly chart, you'll see that we're just getting started in the week, but it's a big fat doji. Inside trading, this means there's no decision taking place at all here in the markets. If I go to gold and Apple, and I got a lot of tech stocks to look at here. Oh, by the way, make sure that you check your emails. Just a little while ago today, I sent out emails to everybody on our list to invite you to our gaps in our trend reversals class, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Pick one of the times that work best for you and enjoy yourself. Anyway, if you look here on gold, we hit dojied out going sideways here, but we could be trying to find a bottom. This could be a tweezer type bottom. We could be looking for upside potential in gold. Silver, again, kind of a tweezer type bottom, looking for a bottom like it wants to go higher. But man, I'll tell you, anything could happen here, on precious metals. Here is the release of Apple. We called it a few days ago on the weekend edition, saying we close above this trend line. This is huge. Look for buy opportunities. This should only go higher. Yesterday, Monday, boom, to the upside. We get a gap. That's called a breakout gap, and we will talk about breakout gaps in the class at the end of this week. And then today we get another gap, which would be called a continuation gap, which we'll talk about those. Boom, boom, higher. I mean, Apple was up more than 1% today when the Nasdaq was only up 0.19%. So Apple did really well. And that's to be expected. Symmetrical triangle breakout to the upside. I still see more upside potential with Apple. Again, we called it. We've been talking about this for many days here, and we called this call. Boom, 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 and higher. Very nice. Amazon was up almost a full percent. We do have a tweezer bottom with a spinning top type reversal pattern. If we go higher than 360, look for a buy opportunity if you want to catch a bottom. Facebook was up 1.23%. Doji coming in off of support off of the rising 50-day moving average, but man, it got hurt yesterday. Google tweezed their bottom, so these can be very powerful. Look for upside opportunity there. LinkedIn was up by another 2%, just down, 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 down. Let me see what's going on here. Here's support. We broke support today. Microsoft was off 0.4%, but building a high base. Not bad. Build a base for a while and then look for higher ground after that. Netflix was off another 2%. Just crashing and burning. If you're short this, you're a happy person. Twitter off almost 2%. When it broke this support, there's just nothing to hold it up. So tech stocks have just been getting creamed. Let's see if there's anything else I want to talk about here. This is MGA. I'm holding this in my personal account. This is on our bull list. We do a bull list, but this is a beautiful bull flag, and this bull flag is looking for upside potential here. If you don't know what a bull flag is, go to the website here and go down here to Chart School and look up bull flags, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But again, I own that one. And again, join us for one of the classes. We're going to be talking about the 3 most important parts of different gap types and the 3 biggest bullish trend reversals and bearish trend reversals. So get signed up for that. It's free. Take care. We'll talk to you guys later.